Right. I just sprayed the whole tub with all the extras that I've been putting on. As you see, that I was putting on in the last video. Now it's on. I put it back on the Jeep so I could turn it and spray it underside. And I remove the locks and stuff that I don't want spraying green, like that one. Spray the box for the radio, and everything is nice and wet. Actually, that's why I'm staying quite far from it. I don't want to touch it. Typically, you go, yeah, boo, oh, and that's it. There's a bit of that. I don't know if you can see it. That sometimes happens, but if you spray it over, it covers it. So I need to go. That could be water in the compressor. When you compress air in a tube like that, it creates water. So you need to open. Well, let's do it now and see what happens. A small tap we put down here at the bottom and release some of the water. Let's see. You see, that's because that's like that. Sometimes that happens, and now I need to spray over it, cover it up. It covers it up because it's not a lot, but sometimes it's really annoying because you don't check that before, and you go and it's like droplets. It's really a lot, but I did it recently, so anyway. And that, which is the fire extinguisher holder. So. And now I'm onto the bonnet.
Carol's not mentioned how
see you soon, mates.
But everyone begins to trace it back, don't they? Maggie Daniel in Preston says, my husband died from mesothelioma 20 years ago.